it is a life-changing sort of Rangahau that I have taken into consideration for my life. So I did not use my head scarf before, but I have started to use this, and I want to feel confident as who I am, so that I am a confident kayako. I am a principled, because also our BSW program is highly, highly based on high principles, which are takipu principles. And now it is not only Maori takipu that I talked about. I talk about my takipu. I was able to reclaim my takipu that my mom used to teach. So now I'm freely sharing my takipu. And because of that, my sharing, I can see my akunga are also inspired to share their takipu. So it is getting expanded, and it is a huge journey.